How to hide apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make any app disappear from your home screen and app drawer on your Android device. First, go to your home screen on your Android device. After that, pinch in or long press on any empty space on the home screen. From there, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner to open your home screen settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. In the next step, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Following this, tap on the apps you want to hide to select them. Once done, you can select as many apps as you want in one go. From here, tap Apply or Done to confirm your selection. Finally, go back to your home screen and app drawer to confirm that the selected apps are no longer visible. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you hide your apps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.